Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel Symbolic Official. Today we have to discuss class 10 chemistry and our chapter is carbon and its compound. As usual, as we know that we have to discuss about this chapter in previous class, we have to discuss about the terms of hydrocarbon in terms of the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. In terms of this concept, we have to discuss that when the carbon joined together in the ring type of a structure, that the formation is held in terms of cyclic, where carbon joined together in a ring type of structure in a single bond formation, only that is known as saturated hydrocarbon. And in terms of unsaturated means we have to discuss that means when the carbon joined together in terms of multiple bonding, that means when a ring type of structure contains double bond, that is the formations of unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. This is as usual same as the parent chain formation in terms of the straight chain hydrocarbon, in which we have to study about the saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon from the term of the multiple bonding. When saturated hydrocarbon consists of only alkene, where carbon joined together itself by single bond in a straight chain, and in a cyclic way, when it comes in terms of a straight or single bonding structure, that is cyclic saturated hydrocarbon. Then we have to discuss about some another property of saturated cyclic hydrocarbon. In terms of short notes, we have to write like ring structure consists only carbon single bond. And an example we have to prepare like a cyclobutene. That means there is 4 carbon atoms joined together in this structure like that. This is the formation of cyclobutene, where this hydrogen combine like this. This is complete structure of cyclobutene, and its formula is C4H18. If anyone asks you about the Lewis structure of this formation, that means Lewis structure of cyclic saturated hydrocarbon. That means we have to say that in the way of this formation, that means always represent the bonding between carbon and hydrogen with their respective valence electron. As their usual way, we have to prepare cyclobutene in terms of their means of the formation of Lewis structure formation. Just like this, here we have to prepare the carbon 4 electron, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just like second carbon 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. From here 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4th carbon having 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. All the valence electrons here we have to write that the valence electron of carbon. Drawing the way of the cyclic means that means cyclic structure has been to begin for this formation, and you have to prepare two hydrogen for this. That means this is one hydrogen, second one hydrogen, like this one hydrogen is here, this is hydrogen, and this is also hydrogen. We have to draw also the structure of hydrogen, that means valence electron of hydrogen in the first way. I have to like this. This is their single means, that means single means of hydrogen. Single electron of hydrogen is represented like that. Now you have to prepare the formation in terms of circle diagram, and that means from the circling that you have to getting the boundary means you can prepare this way for the formation of that. That means for this structure you have to prepare like this, having completing their duplets of every hydrogen. Now you can see that the duplets of every hydrogen has been completed by having the mutual sharing of single valence electron of hydrogen with the single electron of carbon in the way. Now this is the time of completing the octet means of the every carbon. That means carbon has also completed their octet for the formations of their stability. That means we have to getting 8 electrons in carbon valences, that is 2, 4, 6 and 8. That means first cell is inbuilt in the formation like this. This is first completion octet of the carbon. That means 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now we come from this, that means 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons. That means the second one mean is representing like this formation. You have to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In terms of the formation of this carbon, you can also represent the formation of this like from this. That means this electron is also consist of this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 electrons of third carbon is also gets completed in the way. For this carbon completion, you can represent the formation like this. That means this is a complete reorganization. That means we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means every carbon have to complete their octet in terms of 8 electron. This is also 8 electron. This is also 8 electron. And this means also 8 electron will complete. That means carbon having to complete their octet. And you can prepare the cyclic means of Lewis structure. You can write here. This is Lewis structure. Lewis structure of cyclobutane. That means this is Lewis structure of cyclobutane. That means how can you represent every electron distributions of carbon and hydrogen in the means of their stability for the formation and completing their duplets and octets. Okay. From this you can prepare many types of also saturated hydrocarbon and saturated cyclohydric carbon. That means you have to represent it single bond, that means single electron get mutual exchange with each other. This is the representation of single bond. So, and after that, this formation also having to be taken in terms of the unsaturated hydrocarbon where the multiplicity gets divided, and in terms of multiplicity, we can discuss the mean of unsaturated hydrocarbon. So, take a screenshot of this. After that, we have to discuss about the unsaturated means where we have to discuss the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So, take a screenshot of this. Okay, now we have to erase it, and after that we have to reform the other formation in terms of the structure basis. So just wait for that. second one, classification of saturated cyclic hydrocarbon. That means our next is unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. As we know that in previous video we have to discuss about the saturated cyclic hydrocarbon, and we have to discuss about the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. So guys, this what all the saturated and unsaturated is well known for us. That means we have to discuss this in previous section and previous class. That means the saturation where the arrangements are in terms of single bonding. Unsaturated, that means multiple bonding gets began. That means the arrangement of carbon is completed with the help of double bond or triple bond. That means we have to say that the multiple bonding completely gets occur. And in terms of this formation, we have to discuss about that all the terms for this, and we have to get a proper definition. That means this definition is not to be remembered itself. You have to discuss you have to understanding the concept of everything, and you have to discuss, and after the understanding the concept, you can prepare the definition itself. This is not to be mandatory for other compositions. Now we have to write the proper definition for this. That means those type of cyclic hydrocarbon in which the rearrangement of carbon and hydrogen or the carbon, this way, or the carbon and carbon attachments are held with the multiple bonding, or we have to see that at least one double or triple bond is present in their cyclic or ring mains. That is called unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. That means unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon is based in the mean of the formations where carbon and carbon, even on carbon hydrogen arrangements, are being take place with the help of multiple bonding. Multiple bonding is most important for the formation of unusual means of unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. That is not to be in a different state in terms of the state way or in terms of cyclic. Both are same as usual. Just there is a difference of their state way and there is a difference of the ring structure. That means we have to discuss about the example. We have to take a very popular example of unsaturated hydrocarbon in terms of our organic compound. That means you have to know these compounds before this class and before other previous classes. You have to discuss that the name of compound is benzene. Benzene. Chemical formula. Chemical formula is C6H6. And the representation is placed in the way of like this. This is the way of representation. That means you can represent the following ways from this. This is first, second, and third. This is first, second, and third. The user means for the formation of C6H. This can be represented, that means this is the assumed structure of the benzene. We can represent it. This is the terms of single hydrogen is here. This is the term of every hydrogen attached like this. Every hydrogen is attached in the way of formation. Now you think how can this is the tetravalence gets completed, that means the mean of the formation. You can see that the 1 and 2, 3, 4, that means 4 electrons consistently combined with every carbon terminal. And 1 electron and 2 electron, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electrons are consisted in the formation of hydrogen, and another 7 and 8 electrons are consisted in terms of the formation of this carbon. That means every carbon is completing their object by the increasing their multiplicity of bonding. This is so completable. And you can also draw the Lewis structure for this formation. This is so easy. If you think that, if you see the structure of this benzene, you can see that the formation is began to be happen from the another composition of electronic distribution, electron dot structure distribution. This is not to be mandatory for only representing that like this, because this represents the delocalized electron. That means this is delocalized electron having to be placed, change their places in terms of formation, not to be meta, para and ortho position. You can be represented in terms of delocalization of electron for this formation. You can be representing this benzene like that. Another term of representation of benzene. This is also the formation of benzene itself. That means you can prepare this benzene from this. This is also called benzene. This is also can be the representation of C6H6 only. Most important thing here, that is the homework for you. And if you tell me further discussion in this class, we have to discuss that the electron dot structure of benzene. This is things that you think this is very hard, but this is not the hard things. You can illustrate every elements of carbon atom in terms of their double bonding structure means. You can completely learn that. That you have to completely know that you can prepare the electron dot structure of this compounds. So this is our formation. Now the terms of also the another example like this. This is the structure. You can be written this name as this is cyclo bute 1E. This is also the means of unsaturated hydrocarbon, because you have to prepare this is benzene, and this is cyclobute 1E because this is a multiplicity, that means double bonding occurs on the position of first, second, third. This is first, second, third, and fourth position. I know that this is thinking about the formation, that you have to discuss the means of iodide naming. That means you can easily write the name of every compounds. How can you write the name of any straight chain compound formation? And you can write the name of cyclic structure. There is the term of IUPAC, that means for the nomenclature, for the naming of organic compound, we have to follow such rules, and that is given by our terms of IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is terms of IUPAC naming. You have to follow such rules that is given by IUPAC. After following such rules, that means we can write the name of any type of organic compounds in terms of their state, having containing of any functional group, in terms of cyclic way. So that's all are been discussed by us. So take a screenshot of it guys. Okay. This is our structure of the formation of unsaturated hydrocarbon. That means now we have to discuss about the another meanings of the naming of hydrocarbon. That means how can you write the name of every hydrocarbon? Is it really important or not? So that means I am saying to you that this is so important for us, because in terms of examinations of as per the CBSE rules and the CBSE norms, that means many questions are asked in previous examination for the naming of hydrocarbon. For the naming of hydrocarbon, this is not the very hard thing. This is so easy for us that you have to follow such rules for the naming. Just like you can remember the formations in terms of the formation of alkene, alkene and alkyne. I will tell you about the formation of alkene. That means here we can represent the formation. That means al plus n. N represent the formations of only single bond. Al is the name of the number of carbon. That means we have to discuss in next class for the numbering of carbon. We have to write what the name in terms of one carbon is a main, two carbon is three carbon is one, another is butane. So that's all are the discussed by us in next class. That means for today that is our class and we have to discuss this properties. So take a revision for this, take a complete notes for this. That means this is so important for us. So this is our formation of the structure.